So I thought it'd be quite a good video to cover Defender security, because it's something that affects everybody who owns a Defender, whether you want to actually customize your Defender or whether you actually just want to keep it safe, because unfortunately they are a very, very popular vehicle to be targeted these days. So here at Defender Retrofit we do have quite a number of security upgrade options, which you may be interested to know about if you don't know about them already. So the first and most popular upgrade that we tend to have for customers to add is obviously the Autowatch Ghost Pro. So this is, if you don't know already, this is a particular device that can install on the vehicle. So if somebody does steal your key or clone your key, they won't be able to start or drive the vehicle unless there's an arrangement of codes put in to the actual vehicle before it'll actually start. So I will do another video on that. We've been doing the Ghost immobilizers, must be seven plus years now. So we're very sort of au fait in installing these properly. We don't just sort of chuck them in and go like, unfortunately, like some mobile installers. We actually spend a considerable amount of time hiding the device as well as installing it properly, and we install it as per JLR specifications, so you won't have any warranty issues. Other things is obviously trackers. We can do an S7 or an S5 tracker, whether you want a monitored tracker or not, so we do combination packages for that. Other things that we do is we do the actual BlackVue Dash cameras, so you can have basically video security, and then this one that's in here, if there is anybody actually sort of tampers with the vehicle to sort of break in on the shock sensors, it will then send you a push notification to your phone, and then you can also remotely log in as well to see if anybody's around your vehicle. And then you've obviously just got the front camera, which we install, which is just here, and we also install one which is in the rear as well. So that's another security aspect. As you can see here, we've also added in this can also prevent, or as a deterrent for people wanting to break in, because now certainly in London people now are smashing this back window to obviously gain access to steal belongings out of the vehicle. So we have that as a deterrent solution. But if you want something that's physically more secure, we do this. So this is great for two aspects. If you've got animals and you want to secure them in the back, whether you've got seats or whether it's like this one, which is a commercial, or if you just basically want to lock this particular area, so nobody is going to then be able to get in the back, and obviously they will see this from the outside, obviously, if we don't have that section. So it's another way to secure inside, to also prevent people wanting to smash your rear window to actually gain access to the back of the vehicle for that. And then we also do, because it's another popular thing, which is obviously your spare wheel. So yes, there are locks that you can purchase to obviously stop people taking the wheel off, but we've got a system where we've actually set an alarm to this physical wheel. So if this wheel is actually attempted to be removed, it's linked in to the manufacturer's alarm. So if it is tampered with, excuse me, then it will set off the actual vehicle alarm as well. So then that's like another deterrent that we can obviously offer here at Defender Retrofit. So these are just a number of things that can certainly help with the security of your pride and joy of a Defender. If you would like any further information on the security devices that I've obviously just mentioned, then please do get in touch. We can do sort of different packages depending what your requirements are, but certainly our most popular deterrent really is the Autowatch Ghost. Obviously tracker if your insurance company requires this, but also, as well as just obviously fitting the dash cameras for parking video surveillance now, makes a massive difference, because it will obviously alert you if somebody is walking around the vehicle itself, and you can remotely log into it to obviously check up to make sure everything is okay. So yes, if you'd like any further information, please get in touch with us here at Defender Retrofit.